What is OUINO? OUINO Guide, Settings and Navigation. Everyone is different. Different needs, different ages, different learning abilities, different levels. Expecting everyone to learn in the exact same way didn't make sense to us. That's why we've created the most customizable program on the market. In a previous video, we talked about the non-linear learning path, which allows you to take the lessons in the order that fits you best. In this video, we'll talk about the different menus that allow you to control and navigate the program. Adjusting the settings menu. You can adjust the settings to fit your learning speed and style in any lesson of the course. Simply click on the gear icon on the top right corner to adjust the settings. You can change the pronunciation playback speed of the audio and the number of times words are repeated. You can also change the amount of time between each word and change the subtitles. This means that the lessons are never too fast or too slow. You can tweak the lessons to your needs, whether you're a complete beginner or an advanced learner who needs a quick review. You may want to change these settings as you get more advanced. Most of the time, people can remove a few seconds between words and even remove the slow pronunciation playback speed altogether when they get used to the language. The good news is that you can go back and adjust these settings at any time. The settings are specific to each module. For example, you may want to skim through the vocabulary lessons because you prefer to learn with the exercises, but you want to take your time with the grammar lessons to really understand the rules. OUINO allows you to do that. But if you want to change all the settings at once, simply go to the home screen and choose the settings menu from there. This is the global settings menu. Navigating through the program. Next to the settings icon, you'll find the navigation menu. You can usually go exactly where you need to go in 2 clicks. Clicking on this 3-bar icon on the top right corner of a lesson allows you to navigate through the program without having to go back to the main menu each time. OUINO is very interactive and there are buttons all over in every lesson. We try to make it as intuitive as possible, so feel free to click around. But if you need help with the navigation of a lesson, you can click on the question mark on the top right corner of the home menu. You'll see a few very useful slides showing you the navigation of the program. If you're a bit confused with the navigation, or you want to know if you're using all the buttons, this is the place to go. In the next video, we'll take a look at the vocabulary module, which will allow you to learn over 2,000 words. Stay tuned.